My name's Dave, this is my home kitchen, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you an unboxing of a delivery that I received from the buffalo farm. That's right, buffalo meat. It's a lot like beef, only more nutritious. But before we get into that, let's see what I actually got delivered. Well, in actual fact, it didn't arrive as quickly as that. You see, what happened was I ordered on the Buffalo Farm website and it gave me an option for when to have the delivery. So I chose a Friday because that was available and it was super convenient for me. However, it turns out that they don't deliver on Fridays, they only deliver on Wednesdays. And I only found this out by phoning the Buffalo Farm on the Friday when I was expecting the delivery. But 5 days later, on the Wednesday, it arrived. Super grateful, it looks fantastic, I can't wait to start cooking with it. So let's get into it, let's see what buffalo products I've got, and as well the non-buffalo product as well, which is absolutely awesome. So let's get into it and let's see what I got. The box is marked up, must be delivered today, food items, clearly shows that there's food items in there for the delivery driver to know that they have to deliver it on the day that they're delivering. But if we get inside, you can see it comes all nicely wrapped up. It's almost like it's finished running a marathon. It's got one of those silver jackets on it. And it comes with a freezer pack, which is a bit defrosted by the time the delivery arrives, but because it's wrapped in the insulation, it stays nice and cool inside, so there's absolutely no problems with it being fresh food which is being delivered through a courier service. So let's dive in and see what we've got in here. We've got some buffalo steak burgers. There's four buffalo steak burgers. Let me see if I can just get these out of the way a bit. That's a bit better, isn't it? So to show you again, we've got the four buffalo steak burgers. I've got 500 grams of buffalo mince. Now buffalo as a meat, it's quite a bit healthier than beef. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's quite a lot healthier. I'll put a little graphic on the screen down here somewhere. This is taken from the Buffalo Farms website, and as you can see, the amount of fat that buffalo has compared to beef is quite a bit less. It has lower calories, it has a higher protein content and a higher iron content as well. So buffalo as a meat is really good for you. It's slightly more expensive than beef, but that's part of the trade-off when you're buying something which is a premium product. You should look to buy the products and the ingredients that best suit the budget that you've got and buy the best products within your budget range. So on top of the burgers and the mince, we've also got 500 grams of buffalo stewing steak. So that will make a really nice, I'm thinking like a beef curry, like a rendang or something like that. We've got some prime Scotch buffalo steak sausages. So they might end up on a breakfast plate actually. I was thinking they might be on the barbecue with the burgers, but these might end up being for breakfast. And I've got 2 packs of the buffalo steak kebabs. So these are individual kebab sticks that have got buffalo steak on them. And there are 4 of the kebab sticks in each packet. So I've got 2 of those. What else have we got in here? We've got prime cut buffalo steaks. So it doesn't specifically tell us what actual cut it is. It maybe looks a little bit like it might be rump, but I'm not entirely sure. It's got a similar kind of profile as far as the layer of fat along the steak and some of that marbling of the fat. But they do call it prime cut. So I'm not 100% sure exactly which cut that is, but there's 2 8-ounce steaks. I got some spiced hot dogs as well. I love a hot dog. There's a really good video from Claire Saffitz doing hot dog buns. I'll see if I can put a link to that somewhere as well. It's a fantastic video. She makes beautiful buns. They look absolutely fantastic. And I think these as hot dogs on those buns would be incredible. And then finally, the final thing that I got, which isn't a Buffalo product, although it is from the Buffalo farm. They do other products such as beef and lamb and chicken. And I got, I don't know how well you'll be able to see this through the packet. I got a Buffalo Farm doner kebab. So this is a 500 gram doner kebab with a mixture of beef and lamb, the Buffalo Farm's own spice blend. So the instructions are essentially to whack it in the oven, cook it up, serve it on flatbreads with salad, with yogurt dips, with spicy sauce. Can't wait for that. That's going to be absolutely epic. This is everything that I received in my delivery from the Buffalo Farm. Everything from the mince and the stewing steak, the hot dogs, the steaks, the breakfast sausages, the burgers, the kebab sticks, and that doner kebab. I can't wait to start cooking all of this. Let me know in the comments what you think I paid for all of this, and I'll pin the comment which is closest to what I actually paid. And I'll leave a link to the Buffalo Farm down in the description as well. So if you're in the UK, if you want to check them out, then absolutely go for it. If you've made it this far, then you are awesome. And now that you know that I'm near the end of the video, if you're still watching now, you are doubly awesome. You know that? So stick around, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed and you got this far, well, blow me, you're off the scale awesomeness. Until the next time, take it easy, stay safe, and enjoy the food that you cook.